In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create layouts with Section Grid in Wix Studio. We're going to walk through the process in a simple, practical way so you can build cleaner, more flexible page layouts with confidence. Section Grid is especially useful when you want more control over spacing, alignment, and how content is organized across your page. To get started, open your website in Wix Studio and go to the page where you want to create or update your layout. Once you are on the canvas, look for the area above or below any existing section. Hover there and click Add Section to insert a new blank section. This gives you a fresh space to build your grid-based layout from scratch. Now that the blank section is in place, go to the top left of that section and click the Layout drop-down menu. Here, you can apply a grid preset. Wix Studio gives you several pre-designed options, including layouts based on rows, columns, or collage-style arrangements. These presets are a great starting point because they save time and help you visualize the structure before you begin customizing it. Next, it's time to adjust the grid structure to match the design you want. Click on any existing grid line and then click the plus icon to add a new row or column. You can also select a cell and use the floating panel to split it either vertically or horizontally. This is helpful when you need more precise content areas inside the same section. After that, fine-tune the size of your cells. Drag the blue handles between cells to resize them manually. If you want everything to be perfectly even, open the inspector panel and use Equalize to make all cells the same width or height. In that same inspector panel, go to the Layout section and enter exact pixel values for the horizontal and vertical gaps. This is a useful way to create consistent spacing and give your design a polished, professional look. Once your grid is ready, start placing content into it. Open the Add panel and drag elements, like text, buttons, or media, directly into the specific cells where you want them to appear. This makes it much easier to keep your content organized and aligned, especially when working with more advanced page layouts. Finally, check how your layout looks on different devices. At the top of the screen, switch to the tablet and mobile breakpoints and make any necessary adjustments for each screen size. This step is important because a layout that looks great on desktop may need refinement on smaller screens. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.